Hi there, and welcome to this short video on how to cut the cost of your credit card debt from UK debt assistance. Unless managed very closely, credit card debt can be one of the most expensive forms of borrowing. Bank of England base rates are at the lowest level they have been at 0.5%, yet the average interest rate charged on credit cards is 18% and can be as high as 40%. The advice from UK debt assistance on effectively managing credit card debt is to make sure you pay off your debt before any 0% introductory deal ends. Otherwise, you may have to pay a high rate of interest on the remaining amount. One option for borrowers with existing credit card debt is to move it to a 0% balance transfer credit card. These cards, over a period in which no interest will be charged on that debt, mean that every penny of your repayments go directly towards reducing the size of your original debt. This assumes you're not using a card for new purchases. It's usually best to have another card for this. You usually need to pay a fee to transfer your debt over, usually around 3% of the balance transferred, subject to a minimum fee level. So, if your outstanding balance is £1,000, it could cost you £30 to switch based on the 3% fee. However, these cards are usually only an option if you have a good credit rating and aren't available to everybody, depending on your circumstances. If you are eligible for 0% deal, look for a card with as low a rate as possible, and ideally one that will not charge you a fee. But remember to look at the balance transfer interest rate, not the APR, as that is based solely on purchases. Another big mistake is only making minimum monthly payments. Minimum monthly payments tend to be set at very low levels, sometimes below 2%. If you only make the minimum monthly payment, your debt could take decades to pay off, and in that time you could pay thousands and thousands of pounds in interest. Aim to pay off the entire bill each month so that you're only paying interest on that amount. With a standard credit card, if you always pay off your monthly bill in full, you can enjoy between 45 and 59 days of interest-free credit. If that's not possible, pay off as much as you can afford and work out a repayment plan. Don't use the credit cards for cash withdrawals. So, in summary, credit cards can be a very useful way of obtaining short-term credit for free if used in the correct way. If used in the wrong way, they can create a huge financial burden which people can struggle to free themselves of without professional help. If you're struggling with credit card and other debts, contact UK Debt Assistance today and one of our friendly advisors will offer you free, no obligation advice regarding the possible options. Thanks for watching and good luck.